Hey guys, so I just wanted to make this quick video just to talk about the giveaway. I'm almost at 3,000. Thank you so much. And CSG, remember we're partnering up for this giveaway, he is at 544. Guys, come on. I know some of you guys are missing because I have 2,000 new subscribers. So almost 2,000 new subscribers, so I know he can reach 1,000 in no time. He's the one that's going to be providing the plans. I'm going to be paying for shipping, so I need you guys to go over there and like his channel. So I wanted to talk about that, and also I wanted to talk about some other things, but as I'm looking over here, I just want to quickly show you guys this. I know you guys seen her before. I beheaded her, and you can see where I beheaded. I beheaded her, I don't know, a week and a half ago, and look at that growth. That's ridiculous. So yeah, I just wanted to show you that. That's crazy, right? So I wanted to talk to you guys about the Leaf and Clay link and the Mountain Crest Gardens link. So they have what you guys can apply for, which is called affiliation. So I applied for an affiliation. And what I do is, if I share my link on my YouTube channel and my Instagram, and if anybody clicks on the link and purchases, I'll get a percentage. I mean, it's very low percentage, but every little bit counts, right? So I wanted to encourage you guys, if you guys are ever wanting to place an order on Mountain Crest Gardens and Leaf and Clay, please use my link, because that will help me to do also more giveaways, because I'll have, you know, money that was earned by you guys, and I can easily do giveaways and not have a guilty conscience. You know what I'm trying to say, guys? So yeah, I'm gonna put those two links under this video, and if you guys could just save that somehow, bookmark it, so that whenever you do feel like it, you'll always have that link there in your bookmark and you won't forget. So that's what I would like you guys to do. That's a way that, you know, you guys are helping my channel, and this is me giving back to you guys, because through that I'll be able to do more giveaways. So yeah, I got excited when I saw the winner from last giveaway. I think her name was Mommy Crafty, and she did a video. She got some really nice plants. They were really nice. So it was really nice to see that. So when you guys do win a giveaway, if you guys can put it on Instagram and send me, you know, you don't have to even put it on Instagram. You can just send me pictures of what you got through Instagram. I would like to see what you guys get, because I really like seeing what you guys get. You know, I like interacting with you guys, so I would really appreciate that. So that's it. I was just wanting to update you guys. Let's help CSG reach 1,000. I'm getting to 3,000. As soon as we get there, we will announce the giveaway and what it is. Okay, guys? Thank you so much. You guys have a blessed day. Bye, guys.